Hello and welcome to Spoiled by Coco. My name is Apurvi and in this channel I share with you eggless recipes. So let's get baking. First, in a bowl take 58 gram of unsalted butter. Add 40 gram each of castor sugar and brown sugar. Mix them till the sugar is dissolved in butter. Add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix it in. Then place a sieve and add 115 grams of all-purpose flour, 10 grams corn flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt. Sieve it. This helps incorporate additional air in eggless baking. Mix gently with a spatula. Then add 3 to 5 tablespoons of milk. Add milk in parts according to your requirement. Mix to form a dough. Now add 50 grams of either milk or dark chocolate, 50 grams of chopped fresh strawberries. You can also use the freeze strawberries. And mix gently, taking care not to squish the strawberries. Now make cookie dough balls. You can either scoop them or, like me, weigh each of them. This recipe gives 6 cookies of 65 gram each. After weighing the dough, gently press it between your palms to form a ball. Once done, refrigerate the cookie dough balls for 24 hours or a minimum of 2 hours. This helps develop more flavor as well as prevent them from spreading too much while baking. Then bake these in a preheated oven at 180 C for 12 to 14 minutes. The time depends on oven to oven. Please like the video, also subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe. Our cookies are done once the edges is light golden brown in color. Once slightly cool, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Let's see the texture from inside. They are crispy from outside while soft from inside. Perfect. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.